Hello, my name is Jason Del Pilar Caande, and I am very grateful for this opportunity to share a bit about myself with the Teacher Registration Board of Western Australia. Well, actually, I would love to talk about the different topics suggested, but on this video, I would like to focus more of my teaching career in the Philippines and my journey here in Australia. To start with, I have been teaching for over 8 years. My teaching career started in the Philippines, where I served as a science teacher for 7th and 8th graders under the Science, Technology, and Engineering program at Browen Comprehensive National High School. This role has challenged and inspired me. I developed a passion for creating engaging hands-on learning experiences that helped students not only understand the scientific concepts, but also think critically and work collaboratively. I also took some leadership roles, such as being the coordinator of the eco-friendly programs and practices of the school, and also the coordinator of the Science, Technology, and Engineering program, which helped build a culture of sustainability and innovation within the school community. Next, my journey to Australia was driven by my dream to expand my skills and continue my career in a country that is known for its high-quality education system. It was actually a big decision, but I felt it was really the right one, not only for myself or for my professional growth, but also for my family. I am very blessed to have a very supportive family. They helped me and encouraged me every step of the way all throughout my journey here in Australia. They have been my source of strength, especially as I adjusted my new life here in Australia. Since arriving in Australia, I've had the privilege of working in the early childhood education and care sector, where I have developed a deep appreciation for early childhood development. Teaching in early child care requires a gentle and a thoughtful approach, and I truly enjoy building strong relationships with the children and supporting their learning through play-based and inquiry-driven experiences. I also work closely with their families, with other educators, and with the broader learning community, just only to make sure that each child is safe, valued, and supported. So as you see, English is a language I used throughout my teaching career, both in the Philippines and also here in Australia. I use it in a daily basis to communicate with children, families, and colleagues, as well as to document children's learning and plan meaningful experiences. So to the Teacher Registration Board of Western Australia, thank you very much for considering my application. I hope this video helps demonstrate my communication skills and my commitment to teach here in Western Australia. Thank you so much.